Hello students, welcome back in our today's class. So today also we are going to continue our chapter number 9, that is carbon compound. Okay, so before moving to our today's topic, let's revise what we have learned in our last class. Okay, so we have learned about a very interesting topic, that is a carbon, which is a versatile element. Okay, we have seen the various uses of carbon and its characteristics. Okay, yes. So, what are the characteristics of carbon? Let's see one by one. This is a quick revision of your last class. So, here you can see that the carbon has unique ability to form a strong covalent bonds with other carbon atom, and this results in the formation of what big molecules like this. Okay, the big molecules, the chain of molecules gets formed, and this property of carbon is called as catenation power. Okay, so here you can see the two structures which shows that the open chain or closed chain of carbon atom. So here you can see this is the open chain of carbon atom, and this is a branch chain. It is also called as a branch chain. Okay, straight chain, this is a straight chain, and here this carbon atom which are attached to this third carbon atom, so it is called as a branch chain, because we are seeing some kind of branches over here. Okay, and this is called as a ring structure. Okay, so this is a closed structure. ठीक है. Okay, so an open chain can be a straight chain or a branch chain, as I have told you already. That is, this is a open chain which can be a straight chain or a branch chain. Okay, and then what, a closed chain is a ring structure. Here you can see the ring which shows carbon and hydrogen bond. Okay, so this is a closed structure. ठीक है. Yes. Now the second property is the carbon atoms can be bonded together by 1, 2 or 3 covalent bonds. Okay, yes. So this is called as what, a single bond, double bond or triple bond. Here you can see this is a carbon carbon single bond, this is carbon carbon double bond, and here carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, yes. So these are the three bonds which are there over here, and here you can see carbon carbon single bond, here the double bond, and here is the triple bond. Yes. Now, due to the ability of carbon atom to form a multiple bonds as well as single bonds, the number of carbon atom, the carbon compound gets increases, obviously. Then the third is carbon atom is a tetravalent element, which means what? It can form bonds with 4 other carbon atom, carbon or any other. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पर है, this is, here you can see 4 carbon atom. Here you can see the 1 carbon atom and hydrogen atom. Okay, here 1 carbon atom, hydrogen atom and chlorine. Okay, so carbon atom can form a bond with other atoms also. Okay, yes. Then the fourth one is what? Carbon has one more characteristics which is responsible for a large number of carbon compound, and this is called as isomerism. Okay, what is isomerism? Here you can see one compound, its molecular formula is C3H7 and Cl. But here you can see that this is a molecular formula of that compound, but here you can see the structure of that compound, but both are totally different. The compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula. Here you can see the structure is different. Okay, so then that is called as what? Isomerism. These two compounds are isomerism of each other. Okay, yes. Then we have learned about hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated. पहले देखते हैं what is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon, which means what? The compound which contain carbon and hydrogen. Okay, yes. And saturated, which means what? Here you can see the saturated, which means compound contains single bond, that is called as alkanes. And unsaturated, which means a compound contain double bond and triple bond. जब डबल बॉन्ड होगा तब उसको अल्कीन्स बोलेंगे, एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा तब क्या बोलेंगे? अल्काइंस. ओके, So this is all about our last class. So now we are moving towards today's topic, which is very simple and very easy. Okay. Okay, so here we are going to learn about straight chains, branch chains, and ring of carbon atom. This is very easy. The name, the answer is there in the names only. Okay, yes. So a straight chain, which means what? A straight chain of carbon atom is formed by joining the carbon atoms are next to the others, जस्ट लाइक दिस. ऐसे कार्बन 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 की बहुत बड़ी वाली स्ट्रेट चेन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? अ स्ट्रेट चेन ऑफ कार्बन. We can join as much as carbon atom as we want, but it should be in a straight manner. Then it is called as what? A straight chain. Here you can see in this table the straight chain of carbon atom, then its structural formula is given, molecular formula is given. Molecular formula which means what? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर. यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन एटम है? 1. एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम कितने हैं? 4. सो 1 कार्बन एटम होगा तब उसको बोलेंगे मीथेन. वैन द 2 कार्बन एटम्स आर देयर देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज इथेन. when 3 carbon atoms are there then it is called as propane. when 4 it is called as butane. After that 5 pentane. 6 carbon atom hexane. 7 carbon atom heptane. 8 कार्बन एटम को बोलेंगे ऑक्टेन. 9 कार्बन एटम्स को बोलेंगे नोनेन. एंड वैन द 10 कार्बन एटम्स आर देयर इन द रिंग देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज डेकेन. ठीक है, येस. सो हियर blank things are given, like we have to draw this structural formula and molecular formula of every compound, just like a carbon compound का दिया है वैसे. It is very easy. Okay, so here I have drawn something for you. The remaining part you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, पहले यहाँ पे देखते हैं मीथेन इथेन. यहाँ पे कार्बन एटम में एक 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 कार्बन एटम ऐड हो जाएगा और यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन एटम कितने ऐड करने हैं? 2. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 4 है तो इथेन में कितने आएंगे? 6. प्रोपेन में कितने आएंगे? 8. देन मीथेन इथेन प्रोपेन ब्यूटेन में कितने आएंगे? 10. पेंटेन में कितने आएंगे? 12. तो कार्बन एटम जो है वो यहाँ से एक एक बढ़ाने का है एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम जो है वो यहाँ से 2 बढ़ाने का है. ओके, एंड डेकेन वी विल गेट C10H22. स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला बहुत इजी. हियर यू कैन सी C2 ओके, और उसके साइड में एक 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 हाइड्रोजन एटम दिया. लाइक दैट we can get the hydrogen atoms are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same will happen in 3. पहले क्या करना है? कार्बन एटम को ड्रॉ करना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर 3 कार्बन एटम है और उसके साइड में जितने हाइड्रोजन एटम आ सकते हैं उतने हाइड्रोजन एटम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सो दैट वी विल गेट अ परफेक्ट स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. ओके, C4H10 1 2 3 4. हाइड्रोजन एटम 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. जस्ट लाइक दिस 9 कार्बन एटम पहले ड्रॉ करने हैं और उसके बाद उसके साथ साथ हाइड्रोजन एटम. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इजी. ओके, ये जो है 5 6 दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इन योर नोटबुक. देन नाउ लेट अस गिव मोर अटेंशन टू द कार्बन चेन इन ब्यूटेन. ब्यूटेन का क्या है दैट वी विल सी. The 4 carbon atom can be joined to form a carbon chain in another way. Here you can see the 4 carbon atoms are there. यहाँ पर भी देखोगे 1 2 3 4. So this is called as a straight chain जो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, बट हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ब्रांच चेन. एक कार्बन को नीचे रखा एंड हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. C4H10, 10 hydrogen atoms are there. But the representation is different. This is called as a straight chain. Here you can see this is called as a straight chain. ठीक है? Okay. So the two different structural formula are obtained on joining hydrogen atom of this two chain. Okay. The molecular formula कितना है? C4H10. Okay. But these are the two different compounds as their structural formula is different. here you can see the two structures. So they are called as what? Isomerism. Okay. So the phenomenon in which the compound having different structural formula but having same molecular formula, then it is called as a structural isomerism. Okay. Yes. Now here you can see in the above carbon chain, यहाँ पे देखोगे A. So this is a straight chain. Here you can see this is a straight chain, whereas the second one, this is a branch chain. Here also this is a branch chain. Yes. Apart from straight chain and branch chain, there is a closed chain of carbon atom which is there, where the closed chain मतलब क्या, ring होती है. For example, C6H12. ओके, साइक्लोहेक्सेन. हियर यू कैन सी कार्बन कितने हैं? 6. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम कितने हैं? 12. विच मीन्स वॉट? 1 कार्बन एटम कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम. तो ये एक क्लोज रिंग है. ओके, yes, a ring has 6 carbon atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is called as what? A ring structure. Now here you can see there is straight chain and branch chain, cyclic chain, सब यहाँ पे दिया है. So here you can see saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated. Saturated में क्या ध्यान में रखना है? Which consist of a single bond. Unsaturated में क्या ध्यान में रखना है? Which consist of double bond and triple bond. ठीक है, double bond and triple bond. Yes. So first जो है वो straight chain है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कौन सा भी ब्रांच जो है उसको यूज़ नहीं किया है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ स्ट्रेट चेन. कार्बन कार्बन की स्ट्रेट चेन है. ठीक है. सो प्रोपेन C3H8 ये स्ट्रेट चेन में किया है. प्रोपेन मतलब क्या? जैसे कि मैंने बोला था अल्केन, लाइक दैट. प्रोपेन, अल्कीन. अल्कीन मतलब क्या? प्रोपीन. ओके, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ डबल बॉन्डेड स्ट्रक्चर बिकॉज इट इज़ अनसैचुरेटेड. एंड प्रोपाइन विच मीन्स अल्काइन. Alkyne which means what? A triple bond, consist of triple bond. Yes. Okay. Now here the branch chain hydrocarbons में isobutane है C4H10. isobutane. isobutane मतलब क्या? यहाँ पे आप देखोगे that is the second carbon पे एक branch. Here you can see this is a branch. Okay. Isobutylene. यहाँ पे you can see this is a branch which consists of double bond. So that it will come in unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, ये सब single bonded है. Then it will come in saturated hydrocarbon. Then what about cyclic hydrocarbon? जहाँ पे cycle दिखाई देगी ऐसे ring structure. Okay, C6H12 and C5H10. साइक्लोहेक्सेन में यहाँ पे देखो 1 डबल बॉन्ड है. That's why it comes under unsaturated. And this is a structure of benzene which is very important. Here you can see 3 डबल बॉन्ड. यहाँ पे 3 डबल बॉन्ड है एंड इट्स मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज C6H6. ठीक है. ओके, सो द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ बेंजीन दैट इज अ साइक्लिक अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. हियर यू कैन सी द बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज वेरी इजी. कार्बन एटम 6 कार्बन एटम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ एंड वी हैव टू गिव 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम टू ईच अदर. ओके, एंड अल्टरनेट जो है वो डबल बॉन्ड आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सो देर आर 3 अल्टरनेट डबल बॉन्ड्स इन द 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन एंड द कंपाउंड हैविंग दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स यूनिट इन देयर स्ट्रक्चर आर कॉल्ड एज एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. सो द एग्जाम्पल फॉर एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? बेंजीन. ठीक है. So this is all about today's class where we have learned about the straight chain, branch chain and ring structure of carbon compound. Thank you.